Hi, I'm Joseph Pate with Arbitrage Trade Analytics, and today I want to talk to you about a very exciting topic, referrals. Referrals and more referrals. There's no reason to leave money on the table to not get something for free if a company is giving it to you, to be honest. If you can help somebody else out while also helping yourself, that's doubly good. So I want to talk about for new investors, for seasoned investors, it's a great way to share the word. You're promoting these companies that we're using all the time to help us make money, and they give benefits back. They want you to use their services. So the first one is Robinhood. Most of us use Robinhood for trading. I also use Fidelity, Ameritrade. There's a couple different brokers, but Robinhood is easy on your phone and it's great for new traders. Zero commissions, and what's really nice is once you're logged into the website, you can do this from your phone too, but you'll see a free stocks button up at the top right. When you click on this, it'll bring you to this page saying your name and invite friends and get a free stock, and you have a link. You could share this on Facebook, Twitter. You could just send it to family and friends. I don't usually blindly send it out. I like to preface it to people and let them know, hey, you get a free stock. Even if you don't link your bank account, you get a free stock. And maybe you get something really good. My grandmother got Microsoft, and which is better than I've ever gotten with a free stock. But you can get up to $500, I believe, free a year from Robinhood, which is just free money. Why not use that to invest and change your life? So make sure you're using referral codes or links. And I've even had once or twice it messed up and someone signed up and I didn't get the free stock. I just sent a message to Robinhood support, gave the username of myself and them, and they confirmed it and they took care of it. So don't leave it on the table. Next is TradingView. When you sign up for TradingView, even a free plan, there's no reason not to send your link to someone else. That way, if they do sign up to a paid plan, if they don't want to, if they don't need to, that's great. But if they try it for a month and they love it and they're making money, there's no reason that you shouldn't give them some extra benefit and yourself. You both get $30 worth of credit, which is crazy. It's basically a full month of Pro Plus. And if you save them up like I am, you can get a whole year for basically 10 months cost, which is even more savings. So when you're in your TradingView and logged in, I believe you can even do this with a free account. So you could probably just get a whole bunch of coins and get a paid account without ever paying a dime. But there's a refer a friend button. It'll bring you to this page and you just send them the link. It's that easy. Also in arbitrage, this is of course the bread and butter. This is where you're getting all your indicators, your news, your Forex heat maps. This is where it's all about. Well, there's no reason not to save some money on your account when you're helping other people. So I'm going to go to the account tab, my profile, and referral program down here in the bottom left under your subscription. And you can just send this link to somebody. Please make sure you send this to somebody before they sign up, because as it says down here below, they must sign up using your link. If not, they can't undo that. So just make sure, because it'll start building up referral credits, and those credits just come off of your monthly. No reason not to, because you can put that money towards trading and making your own financial freedom. Also, please make sure to check out my next video in the series. It's going to be like professional tips for starters. It doesn't even have to be starting traders, but definitely if you're new to trading in the stock market and you're new to TradingView, these tips can definitely help save you some money, make you some money. Has to do with a lot of things that new people miss out on and they don't find out about until maybe a month in or 3 months in, and you could have been making more money along the way with just simple tips. Thank you so much and have a great day.